Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add a welcome note to your Nokia 105. So head over to the menu and then come all the way down till you get to the settings. Now in the settings, come down to phone settings and go into that. Now come all the way down to welcome note. Now add your welcome note. Once you've added your note, press the options key here, then select save. Now when you restart the Nokia 105, you will get this welcome note. So that is how to add a welcome note to your Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.